Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we will be fixing when your Google Chrome is running very slow. So here's the trick that will make it fast again. So we will be talking about that in this video. So please make sure that you finish watching this video. So the very first thing we need to do is to go open our Google Chrome browser, and there we will be. Okay, so you will see in the top right section or top right corner the three dot icon there. So please click on that. And then if you scroll down till the bottom, you will see the settings option. So please click on that. And then once you do that, you will see there the extensions here in the left pane. So we will look for extensions option. Please click on that. And all you need to do here is just to remove all the extensions that are unnecessary or that you found unwanted. So next thing we need to do is to go to the restore settings. So let me just go again with the three dot icon here, scroll down, go to settings, and we will be clicking on this reset settings option here in the left pane, and then you will see in the right section the reset settings option, restore settings to their original default. So once you click on that, you will see this small window coming up. Here in the reset settings, you will reset some Chrome settings, disable extensions, delete cookies, but it won't harm or affect your bookmarks, history, and save password. So once you click on reset settings, it will do this action here. And then once you're done with this one, all you need to do is just to do the same with the another browser that you have. And the next thing we need to do is to run these commands in the command prompt window. All these commands here, these 5 commands. So let us open the command prompt window first. So here in the Windows search tab, we need to type cmd, and you will see under best match the command prompt window. In the right section, you will see the run as administrator option. So please click on that. And then once you do that, you will see this user account control window coming up. All we need to do is just to click on yes. And then you will see this black window. So please copy first the first command, and then once you copy it, paste it in the black window, and then click on enter. And then once it says that it or the winsock catalog has been successfully resetted, you must restart the computer. So please make a quick restart with your computer, and then paste the second command. So let me just copy it and then paste it in here. Click on enter. And then once you're done with this one, proceed with the last 3 commands. So we need to copy it one by one. And then click on paste, and then click on enter. And then once you have copied, or once you have done this, proceed with the 4th one, and then the last one. So I will provide these commands in the description box below. No need to worry. And then the next thing you need to do is to close this window. Once these 5 commands have been already run, then you need to close the black window and proceed with the run window. So we can open the run window by pressing in the keyboard the Windows R key all together. And here we need to type clean mgr. Clean mgr. Now once done typing, please click on OK or enter, and it will automatically select the C drive. So just please click on OK or enter, and then here all we need to do is just to delete the files that are unnecessary or that you don't find helpful and important in your device. So just please select it just by making a check here in this box before the option. And then once you have done that, or once you're done selecting, just please click on OK, and it will temporarily or permanently, it's permanently delete the files. Once you're done with this one, go to our task manager. So we can do that by simply making a right click here in the Windows icon. If you click on task manager options, you will see this window coming up. All you need to do is just to go to the startup apps, and once you click on that, you will see all the disabled and enabled applications during startup. So just please click on the status here to make the enabled applications in the top section. So please select the enabled applications. Please go over with the enabled applications, see if you want it during startup, and if you don't want it during startup, just make a right click on that, click on disable, and then it will be disabled during startup. Okay, so once you're done with this one, just make a quick restart with your device, open your Google Chrome browser, and see the improvements that it has made. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye!